Hello English learners and teachers, and welcome to English Up. I'm Mohammed Nabil, and this is my new series to help you speak and sound clearly. In the previous video, we said that as an English learner, you need the IPA, or the International Phonetic Alphabet, which is a list of symbols that represents the sounds of English pronunciation. We also said that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? However, there are 44 sounds in the English language. Let's look at the vowels first. There are 5 vowels in the English language. Aren't there? They are A, E, I, O, and U. But there are way more English vowel sounds. Some vowel sounds are short, some other vowel sounds are long, some others are just lazy sounds. Let's get started. So all of these vowel sounds are just produced using only 5 vowel letters? Let's take a look at the first group of the English sounds. Remember that they are just sounds, not letters. And now, let's take a look at the first 2 sounds. They are E and E. E, E. These sounds are challenging and cause many problems for non-native English learners. E and E. E and E. Let's take a look at the first example. E, meat, beach, seat, sheet, eat. It's a long sound. Let's take a look at the second example. Sit, fit, bit. It's a short sound. If you mispronounce some of these words that have the long sound, you may produce some brood words. Sorry. So the short sound is I, like in fit, sit, hit, bit, it, which. And the long vowel sound is E, like in heat, sheet, meat, beat. That's all for now. Stay tuned for our coming video to talk about more vowel sounds. Thank you.